Welcome back to another episode of Ask a Window and Door Specialist with Henry Wiens at Access Window and Door Design Center. Stay tuned to learn from someone who's been in the industry for 20 plus years and has made it his mission to produce one of the best performing windows and doors in the market. Henry, we're just starting to plan to build our forever dream home. And I want this home to be around when I'm rusty and old. Windows and doors play a very big part in a quality built custom home. What can you tell me what I should be looking for when going to purchase or going to get quotes for windows and doors?
That's a very good question, Martin. First of all, you want to look at the ingredients that go into a window. And when I say ingredients, I'm not referring just to the frame, glass, and hardware. I'm referring to the number one, which is the most important one, is engineering that goes into the window. You want to then look at the people that built the product. You want to make sure they're highly trained. They've been doing it for a long time, or they've been working for that particular factory for a long time. And you want to make sure that the components are the right components. So in the Canadian prairies, we have the harshest climate in the world, I'd like to say, because we don't have it always cold, we don't have it always warm. We go from one extreme to another. So you want to make sure that the components that are used are made for that. You want to look at the automation level of the factory, because only with a high automation level, you get consistency and you get consistent quality. I always recommend to any buyer, because the window and door package on a custom home is on average about 10% of the home cost, which is a big ticket item these days. So you want to make sure that you always take a factory tour, that they willingly give you a factory tour, and that they explain you why they do what they do at the factory.
So would you then recommend that I, as a new homeowner or in the process of building a home, when I go shopping for windows and doors, what specifically am I looking for when I go into a hardware store, say? Or should I just leave that to my builder? Are most builders qualified to answer specific questions about the window and door package? Or do I need to be doing my own research in order to make sure that I have the best product possible?
That's a tough question, Martin, because can you be an expert of everything? I don't think so. I think there's builders that are very, very knowledgeable, absolutely. Lots of experience, extremely knowledgeable, and they really have the best interest of their customer in their mind. We work with builders like that. However, when you go to a hardware store and you have the sales guy in front of you, is he capable of selling you a casement? Is he capable of selling you a slider, double hung, single hung, hopper, tilt turn, all that? Well, then I would say he's not an expert of anything. You want to make sure that you find a factory that specializes on high performance windows, on durability, and it's not trying to satisfy absolutely every need out there. You want to make sure you find a factory that's totally specialized in what you decided to go for as a product.